Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, I'm so glad you could join us today. I'm David, and in this video, we're diving into a fascinating topic that's becoming increasingly relevant in the world of artificial intelligence and data processing, the JSON mode in GPT responses. So, grab a snack, get comfy, and let's get started. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is JSON mode, and why should I care? Well, that's a great question. JSON, which stands for JavaScript Object Notation, is a lightweight data interchange format that's easy for humans to read and write, and easy for machines to parse and generate. In the context of GPT responses, using JSON can enhance how we structure and utilize the data generated by AI. Let's break this down a bit more. When we talk about GPT models, we are referring to generative pre-trained transformers, which are designed to understand and generate human-like text. Traditionally, the responses from GPT are in plain text. However, when we switch to JSON mode, the response gets structured in a way that allows for easier data handling and manipulation. Now, why is this important? Let's consider an example. Imagine you're developing a chatbot that provides customer support. If your GPT model responds in plain text, it might give you a great answer but without any context or structure. For instance, a response could look like this: *, your order has been shipped and is expected to arrive in 3 to 5 business days. *. While that's useful information, it doesn't tell you much about the order details or the status code. But if the same information was structured in JSON format, it could look something like this. Now, with this structure, you can easily access specific pieces of information. For instance, if you only want the tracking number, you can extract it effortlessly without parsing through a long string of text. This is especially beneficial when building applications that require quick data retrieval, like mobile apps or web interfaces. Moreover, JSON mode allows for better compatibility with various programming languages. Most modern programming languages have libraries that can easily parse JSON data. This means that developers can seamlessly integrate GPT responses into their applications without worrying about how to interpret complex text. For example, if you're using a JavaScript-based application, you can convert the JSON response into an object in just one line of code, making it incredibly efficient for developers. Here's a quick snippet of how that might look. Now, let's touch on some practical applications of JSON mode in GPT responses. One significant area is data analysis. When GPT generates responses in JSON format, it can be easily fed into data visualization tools or analytics platforms. This allows businesses to analyze customer inquiries, track trends, and even improve their service based on real data. Another area is automation. If you're using GPT in a workflow automation tool, JSON responses can be directly used to trigger specific actions. For instance, if a customer inquires about a refund and the GPT response is structured in JSON, you can automate the process to instantly send an email or update a database without manual intervention. Lastly, let's not forget about integrations. Many companies use GPT models to interact with APIs. If the responses are in JSON, it fits right into the data exchange format that APIs typically use. This means smoother communication between different software systems, ultimately leading to more robust applications. However, it's essential to note that while JSON mode has its advantages, it's not always the best choice for every scenario. For instance, if your primary goal is just to present information in a user-friendly manner, plain text might suffice. But if you need to manipulate data, extract specific information, or integrate with other systems, JSON mode becomes invaluable. So, to wrap it up, JSON mode in GPT responses offers a structured, efficient way to handle data that enhances usability for developers, improves automation, and provides valuable insights for businesses. It's a game changer for anyone working with AI-generated content. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Also, let us know in the comments below, have you used JSON in your projects? How did it help you? We'd love to hear your experiences. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep exploring the world of AI.